Okay, dear students, continuity of first problem. Next one is quick ratio. Quick ratio. Next one is quick ratio. So, what is the formula? Quick ratio. So, quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by quick liabilities. Quick liabilities. This is the formula of quick ratio and quick liabilities. Quick ratio, see that in second part, quick ratio. So what are the ratios are involved in quick assets and what are the things are involved in quick liabilities? Now you can find, now you can go to find out the first. So what are the quick assets and what are the quick liabilities according to this problem? So quick assets, so quick assets means, see here, quick asset, quick asset is equal to current assets minus stock minus prepaid expenses. So how do we get quick assets means, so this is a formula of quick asset: current assets minus stock minus prepaid expenses. So now go to the table, now go to the format. So what are the current assets and what are the stock and what are the prepaid expenses? So we get already current assets value 4 lakhs here. Current assets value 4 lakhs. So is equal to 4 lakhs current asset. What is stock? What is stock? See that stock means we are only stock of finishing goods and stock of raw material. So we have two types of stock here: stock of raw material 1,50,000, stock of finishing good 1 lakh. So total how much? Total 2,50,000 total stock. Okay, so total stock. So how much we get minus any prepaid expenses? Any prepaid expenses in this problem? No prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses is what? Prepaid expenses is nothing but we are paying in advance. We are paying in advance any expenses. So that is called prepaid expenses. We could not pay any advance in advancely. So that's why we didn't write in this problem. So 4 lakhs minus 2,50,000, we get answer 1,50,000 is the quick assets. Quick assets. Quick assets. Quick asset, this is the quick assets. Now go to the point, quick liabilities. Quick liabilities. So quick liabilities means, we didn't mention any quick liabilities. On that time we have to take only current liabilities. Current liabilities, any here only quick liabilities means any bank overdraft is there in the problem? No bank overdraft. That's why we did not take into any kind of liabilities. Only we have to take only current liabilities regarding this answer. See that quick liabilities, quick liabilities, how much? Quick liabilities how much? 1,50,000. This figure, quick liabilities 1,50,000. 1,50,000. So what is the formula? Quick ratio QR is equal to 4 lakhs means quick asset. Quick asset, this one, where this one quick asset, and quick liabilities this one divided by quick liabilities 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Sorry, quick liabilities we get 1,50,000 and sorry 1,50,000. One quick this one quick assets 1,50,000. Sorry for that. Is equal to 1:1. 1:1. Quick assets. Okay, 1:1. So this is the quick ratio. Next one is, once again I tell you, quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by quick liabilities. This is the formula. Quick assets divided by quick liabilities. This is the formula. So now you can go to do one thing, quick ratio. So what are the quick assets, and now you can go to find out the quick asset and quick liabilities. So it didn't mention any quick liabilities or quick. Now we are going to find out. So we have one formula of quick asset. So quick asset is equal to current assets minus stock minus prepaid expenses. So current assets were already got in previous problem. Current assets means 4 lakh rupees. So this is the formula of quick asset. So how do we get current assets minus stock minus prepaid expenses? So now current assets, where do we get? In previous problem we are already done. So 4 lakhs is the current assets minus stock means stock of raw material 1,50,000 and stock of finishing goods. No more stocks, only we have only two stocks in this asset side. So that's why we are going to mention here 2 lakhs 50,000, 1,50,000, 1,50,000 and plus 1 lakh, 2 lakhs 50,000. So 4 lakhs minus 2 lakhs 50,000, we get in 1,50,000 is the quick assets. Okay, next quick liabilities. So in this problem we don't have any bank overdraft, any quick liabilities transactions. Only transaction only it is related to only bank overdraft. It is called a quick liabilities. So we need not to take any transaction, but we have to take only current liabilities, current year position liabilities. So we have to take only quick liabilities. So quick liabilities how much? Current liabilities how much in previous? 1,50,000. So replaced quick liability same amount 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 divided by 1,50,000 we get 1:1. So as per quick ratio how much we got? 1:1. It is also recommendable to the company. Going on very good position. Company going on very good position. Recommended. It's clear. Next, third one. What is that? Absolute ratio. Absolute ratio. So absolute liquidity ratio, sir. Absolute liquidity ratio. So what is the formula? Absolute liquidity ratio is equal to quick ratio. Absolute liquidity ratio divided by quick liabilities. Absolute liquidity ratio divided by quick liability. See that an absolute liquidity ratio we have to take only two transactions. That is what? Cash in hand or bank balance. Cash in hand, cash at bank and bank balance. These things are we are considered into the under absolute liquidity ratio. Please students remember absolute liquidity ratio. So absolute liquidity ratio means then liquidity, absolute liquidity ratio what?